What is up, YouTube? So today we are expecting some visitors, and they're actually already here. Oh, already got the hood popped and everything. Alrighty, so they're ready to go. So today we're going to be taking a look at this F150, I believe. What is up, Jeff?
Hey, bro.
How's it going?
I was gonna say you're gonna need that fucking
yeah, this thing's too tall for me, man.
Yeah. I need the fucking.
Hi, Leilani. Jeff, this is my girlfriend, Christina. Yeah, this truck sits way too tall for me, so I had to bring the step ladder up.
Dude, you had me thinking like she got a month left. I thought she'd be bigger.
I do.
No,
yeah, but he's hiding. I barely started showing like last month.
She's showing, but not much.
How many months are you?
She is
4.
probably 5 now.
They're on the pregnancy talk. But yeah, so Jeff, do you want to explain to them what's going on with it? Oh, sorry, brother.
Oh yeah, we have a misfire in cylinder 6.
Okay, cylinder 6.
And when you get into about 3rd, 4th gear and you press the gas, if you're going uphill, it like, you just...
It's just really struggling?
It's not a steady acceleration, just...
Right.
It kicks a little bit.
Okay.
I'm not a mechanic, I'm a solar technician.
Aw, you guys got the puppy. Aww.
Yeah, you haven't got to meet the puppy, so I brought the puppy.
Yeah.
That's both dogs.
Aww.
We're I'm rehoming.
You see the puppy?
It's a little pug. Oh my
Little
God,
teacup
it's so
French bulldog.
tiny.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna grab my scanner and I'm just gonna plug it in just to confirm.
Hey, can you delete the engine code too?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. So the plan today is to, if it is a misfire on cylinder, can you take that off now?
I just need to know if I have to get spark plugs or, I mean, we're gonna have to do spark plugs eventually anyways, because on EcoBoost, you're supposed to do it every 30,000 miles.
Yeah. So I'm gonna scan it and see what the codes are saying.
It's just a coil, bro. Then I'll buy a coil and replace the coil.
So that's where we're gonna be diagnosing today. That's where we're gonna be figuring out. So let me grab my scanner really quick.
Oh, and I gotta ask her about that little thing when we were moving. You saw that little truck code thing for the little thing you asked about, little square cube.
Square cube
For the truck. For your phone, you plug it in, and it just like the codes for the phone.
Oh, the fixed. Yeah. So okay. So I'm actually in the process of doing the tint on this too. I ripped it off, but you guys will see that in the next video. If you guys are interested in that kind of thing, please do leave a comment and let me know, because I do have to redo a few other windows on it as well. So if you guys are interested in something like that, then I'll film the entire section of removing that film and reapplying it. Excuse me, brother.
Oh yeah.
Sorry about that.
Kobe said.
Oh, you got? Can I unplug this?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
just my steps.
Hey,
Gotcha.
Shrug off any fuel and all that.
Alrighty. Oh, okay.
And then you
Alrighty. So we're just gonna take a quick look at the
Personally, I'm very impressed at how you've been handling
the codes and see what it's going.
for not just Leilani, but
Oh, whoa. Why is it showing me system setup? Oh, because I keep pressing the wrong button. Man, it's been that long since I've used this thing. Yeah.
myself tense and angry as a grown
Alrighty, so 1 code found.
talking to people that was
3 monitors not set.
honestly, bro, I don't
We're going to take a look at these codes.
doubt you are the best man.
Cylinder 6 misfire detected. P0306. Alrighty, so we plug those steps back in.
Thank you for showing so thanks for showing such a change is honestly possible. Before I read the text, I was
Alrighty.
confused on the edge of who was right.
So now we're going to take a look at it and just see what kind of tools we need.
Day to day, y'all are doing great. You got
So the oil cap has to come off for this, and then this plastic cover comes off. And luckily this is the EcoBoost, so it's not the NA model where the intake manifold would be right there on the left hand side. Good on coolant. Alrighty, so cylinder 6 is actually going to be right underneath this right here. So you got 1, 2, 3 on that side, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to step over this ladder really quick. Really sketchy. Alrighty, nice air intake. So we're just going to remove this, get that out of the way. Luckily cylinder 6 is very easy to get to. So, looks like we just need some simple sockets for this. Let me go grab those. Alrighty, so we have the tools that we need for the job. Luckily I have everything with me. Usually try and keep everything with me. This thing's just super massive, so it's very hard to actually, you know, set myself up right. But I'm gonna try and set you guys somewhere over here. Alrighty. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on there. Maybe. Alright.
Groceries for the week, and she's gonna cook dinner tonight. So basically, you are expected to come for dinner, and if you want to bring Avery, that's cool too.
Alrighty. So they got these fancy little push pins here. Just pop those off really quick. So you have a cylinder 6 misfire. So the diagnosis for this would be to swap the coil pack for cylinder 6 and cylinder 5. Hopefully I can get onto there with this.
Well, make sure you put all the screws back in too. Oh, you got DeWalt?
Yeah.
Depressing.
Alrighty, so mainly what we're doing right now, if you want to know, I am swapping the coil pack.
Oh yeah, you already told me.
Yep. Okay.
4 to 6.
No, 5 to 6.
Oh, 5 to 6.
Because they're directly next to each other.
Oh babe, and Matt said when we do the baby shower, what did you tell me the other day? When we do the baby shower, let you know if there's anything we need.
Yeah.
Yeah. Matt said to let him and what's her name again?
Isabel.
Let him and Isabel know if there's anything that we need when we do the baby shower. I told him we're doing the baby shower in August.
I'm not wearing gloves right now, but I really recommend if you're doing something like this to throw on a pair of gloves.
No, not everybody does it a month before. September. The first week of October then. Okay, so we're doing the baby shower the first week of October.
Okay, sounds good.
And no, we could do it at our house. It's gonna be too small at our house, huh? Why don't we do it at your dad's
Just
house?
unplug that. I'm gonna throw some gloves on because it is very hot in here. Alrighty, back with gloves. Alright, so we got cylinder 6 coil pack out.
Hey, what's the code?
I'm sorry?
What code did it throw?
Cylinder 6 misfire.
One code or two?
Well, just one. Alrighty, so then we're gonna throw the coil pack from cylinder 5 into cylinder 6. And then we're gonna throw the cylinder 6 coil pack into cylinder 5. Basically what this does, for anyone that doesn't know, it lets you know if that misfire moves at all. It lets you know if that misfire is coil pack related or spark plug related, because if it doesn't move, then it's just the spark plugs. So, are you leaving, babe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pick up the key and go to the bank. I put the house keys in your back pocket.
Thank you. Love you. I love you. Drive safe. Alrighty, so now we got all that swapped over. We're just gonna drill this, tab everything back down.
This is how you're supposed to do it.
Alrighty, and then after you swap everything over, you just go ahead and plug everything back in. And what we're gonna do is clear the check engine light.
Come on.
And then if that check engine light comes back with a cylinder 5 related misfire, then we know that at that point it is not spark plug related. It is indeed coil pack related. So we're just gonna throw everything back on right now, and then I'm gonna go clear the check engine light, and we can proceed from there. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do now is just clear the check engine light, start it up, and then we're gonna go from there. Yeah, just put it into accessory. I'm sure you know how to do all that.
Yeah.
Yep, and then
I know how to do what you're doing, just I'm not great at it.
right. Oh,
When it comes to older
put the
vehicles,
steps back in.
when it comes to older vehicles, yeah.
It'll stay where it's at until you plug it back in. Yeah.
Like my truck, I can work on. New cars, no.
Right. All this new stuff is just getting way too high tech.
Yeah. But you're certified as a mechanic. I'm certified as not.
Yep. Enter, and then it'll show you the codes. We're
It
just
says
gonna
no
clear
codes
it.
are found now.
Nope.
Oh wait, no
still
codes.
reading that one.
Wait, shit. No.
Enter. Oh wait, where'd you go?
I went back. Hold on.
Okay. Yep.
Erase codes.
No, not yet.
Wait.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Actually, yes. Just, yep. And then cycle the key off. And then cycle it back on and turn it on.
And turn the engine on?
Yep.
It's not gonna throw the code until
Nope.
fucking
Until you guys
50
drive
miles.
it. Yeah. So that was the main
So
goal
you
of
just switched.
cylinder coil pack for cylinder 6 with the coil pack for cylinder 5.
So now it's gonna misfire on cylinder 5 now, not 6.
Not necessarily. If it's a coil pack issue, it'll misfire on cylinder 5. So that's what we did today, was
That's what I'm saying.
diagnose.
It's not gonna be cylinder 6 anymore. It'll be cylinder 5.
That's if it's the coil pack issue.
But if it's not the coil pack and
Then
it's
it'll
the spark
stay on-
plugs, it'll misfire on cylinder 6.
Correct. So that's the main diagnose for today, was to swap those two coil packs, and if the misfire changes from cylinder 6 to cylinder 5, it shows you that it is the coil pack and not the spark
That's what I
plug.
was saying. It could be. She thinks it's a spark plug. I told her it could be a coil pack.
It could be
If
either
it's
or.
a coil pack, it'd be a lot cheaper than spark plugs. It'll buy us time.
70,000 miles on my truck and I have not switched.
Right, but
You have how many?
You haven't.
70,000.
But you
Okay.
haven't put 30,000 miles on this yet. So they could have, since it's a performance truck and someone's dumped a lot of money into this truck.
Oh yeah.
Someone's dumped a lot of money into this truck. So they could have been up to date on their fucking shit. So they've changed out spark plugs before, but if it's the coil pack, bro, we could buy a new coil pack, put that in. It's an easy 20-minute fix, and fucking, it'll buy us time.
Yeah.
Show me where the spark plugs are on this.
Okay.
So I can fucking, I might, like this is spark plugs, I might be able to do it myself.
Yeah, it's on the end.
Are they easy to get to?
Yeah, you don't have the NA model. I'm gonna turn it off so that way you can hear me a little better.
They're a lot easier to get to on this than my Explorer.
Yeah, they're a lot easier on this than the NA model, because this is the twin turbo V6.
Yeah.
So mainly what you want to do is take off that oil cap. You have to take the oil cap to get this plastic cover off.
You got gloves on, bro.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm actually wearing. You actually get to see me in nice clothes today, not with clothes.
Right. So
I look a
yeah.
lot different, huh?
You just want to take this oil cap off.
Yeah, I know that.
And then pull the cover off, and literally.
Where are my spark plugs at?
So you have 1, 2, 3 on that side, on your passenger side.
They're on this.
Yeah, and it's a 8mm. to get the coil pack off. And you just take the coil pack off, and the spark plugs are right underneath it, and then you have 4, 5, 6 on this side.
So I can pull up the gap on fucking online, right?
Correct, but usually if you're buying like NGK, for example, comes pre-gapped.
So buy NGK for these. I know I have to buy platinums on this.
Yeah, like the platinum iridiums.
It's a performance vehicle, so I have to buy platinums.
Yeah.
I can't buy the cheap ones for this.
No. Or else
I'm spending like what, $20 per spark plug on this?
Not necessarily. It's usually around that, but it's like $15, $16.
I know the cheap ones are like $4, $5.
Yeah, but you don't want to put those in this.
Performance vehicle.
Yeah. But yeah, everything else is looking good. Coolant level looks good.
If we get an early day, if it's just the spark plug, I'll find out within 50 miles. I'll find out what it is, right? So if it's spark plugs, I don't know, if we get an early day this week, do you just want to follow me back to my house and if it's just a coil pack, I could do that. It's 20 minutes.
Yeah, literally. In less than that, maybe like 10 minutes.
We still got to talk about my truck, bro, because my cam phaser's going out.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's like a 2-day job.
Yeah, I'll be honest with you, I don't really want to mess with that.
I know, but I'd rather pay you to do that than any shop. It's going to be $2 grand to do it in a shop.
Yeah.
I'll give you fucking $1 grand. That's a 2-day job, bro.
Yeah.
That's a whole engine job.
Yeah, you have to pull the entire top end apart. But yeah, we can look into it. We can talk about it and figure out a game plan.
At least if we could look at my truck and fucking next weekend. How about next weekend for sure? I'll bring my truck over and we diagnose it.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think it's a cam phaser. It could be something else.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure it's a cam phaser.
Yeah.
Also, can you tell me how the fuck to get my? I told you my e-brake lights on.
Correct.
How the fuck do I get it on? I know the e-brake, it's the only lights on in my truck are the e-brake and the fucking ABS, but
so
that's a sensor.
Yeah, so that sensor could be the cause of both of those lights.
Can we pull the sensors out and fucking hit them with the brake cleaner and put them back on?
Possibly, but those lights are mainly on because it's trying to tell you that you have an issue with the brake system.
My braking's fine though. No, well, okay, so then if I bring it over this week, if we have an early day this week or no later than next weekend, can I bring it over? Can we flush the air bubbles in my brake line out?
Yeah.
I know I have an air bubble in my brake line.
Okay.
Can we flush the air bubble?
Alrighty, so I'm just gonna finish this clip off real quick. I don't think he knows that I know him, but yeah, I'm just gonna finish this clip off. If you guys do want to see more of the tint stuff, because there is another, I have my keys with me, yeah. There is another window that needs to be hit. I know for sure I'm going to do this back window because it's peeling and all that stuff back here, and then this window is very upsetting, and then likely I'll do the rears too, but when I get around to it. And then yeah, eventually I'd like to, I believe if you guys saw the car update, this car is eventually going to get lowered and get some wheels and you know, all that good stuff, just to be a nice little daily. I am going to have 2 car seats in the back though, so I do have to make sure it is comfortable for babies to ride in. I think anything at this point is better than what it is right now, because the front, something in the front end, I think it's like a bushing or something up there is completely blown. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.